So we had a little change of plans. Demolition day. Boys are definitely helping. I was gonna do a time loop, but or not a time loop, but yeah, something like that. Oh, time lapse. That's what I meant to say. But it's not working out so well. My camera's acting weird today. So anyway, here's where we've gotten so far. They sledgehammered the roof out, and so we're heading towards the walls now. Kind of unfortunate. It's got a pretty cool little floor in it under that carpet, but I'll just pop in and show you progress instead of doing the whole thing in one big high-speed loop. But we did find a nasty little surprise up here. There's a bunch of wasps going out of that hole, so we're gonna have to contend with that. So here's the progress so far, and what I anticipated was not what this is. I thought it was just a siding, but there's actually more of this underneath the siding, so definitely not a thing I could have time-lapsed, but we're getting there. So this is where we left day one. There's far more to it than I anticipated, and well, I mean, you don't really build something to take it apart. So whoever built this was a really good builder. You can see the double layer there, and then these little tiny corners, and then roof came off pretty easy because we just, well, my sons took a sledgehammer and just banged it up, and it was just that 1x4, that stuff right there. And so there's all the roof. We didn't have to like pull the shingles or anything. It just peeled right off, so it was pretty gnarly anyway. But yep, day two is going to be, and you'll see it, we're just gonna do the knock the whole building over and disassemble it on the ground because it's safer that way. It's already really wobbly. The deck is going to be a chore unto itself. I don't know how well it is. I don't know what's underneath it. I know nothing, so it's all a surprise, but it needs to go because I got to put my new staircase in here so that everything is code for my house finally. And so yep, you will see me very soon for day two.
No. Gotta get some of the studs out of the way. Get the hammer. The hammer? The big hammer. Okay. Knock that piece off of the bottom. It's tiny. Get the other one. Get the lap side stuff. This one? Have a fun part, Cameron.
So here is the aftermath. So these boards didn't really salvage. Some of these for planter boxes is going to be extremely difficult. I didn't pull any nails, so this pile is probably about half the size because of what it actually would be. So I'm kind of settling on just doing a dumpster. That way I'll have it for a week and I can take my time. As my sons go back to Idaho tomorrow, there's more. That's the old stuff. So now that it's all gone, oh man, I gotta sneeze. Cut that out in editing. Yeah, so like my yard is twice the size now. There's the garden. It used to be. Now I can put my stairs in for my back door, and probably gonna make a table out of that sturdy door over there. Lots of little weird projects I can do with a lot of this stuff, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. Quite an ordeal. It took at least 2 days longer than what I expected. And I figured I'd let the kids go and screw around in Missoula for next 2 days, and I told them, I said, you guys don't have to get dirty anymore. So yeah, I've got a lot of cleanup to do. All the paper, small stuff's gonna go in my dumpster that's here at the house, and yeah, plenty of room now. There's the new shed back there. Kind of wishing I put it back here, but that's here nor there at this point. I'm gonna keep it here till maybe next year I'll pour concrete over here, put the shed over here, see how it does the first winter. But yeah, that I wish I could have done a time lapse, but it wasn't coming apart as easy as I thought it would. So that sucks. Thought that'd be a really good video to watch me pick it apart like we're a bunch of ants, but it really didn't work out that well. Thanks for watching.